In this video, I'll show you how to redact sensitive information from a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor Pro. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. I've got a PDF right inside here that I'd love to redact some information from. If I double click it, it's going to open up in Edge. Here we go. And it's just this post. Now, what I want to illustrate here is how you can use Foxit PDF Editor Pro to maybe redact this particular sentence, if maybe it was a name of a person or just text and all that. So let's close this out, and then I'll open up Foxit PDF Editor, and I can just drag and drop my file here. Let's just drag and drop it right inside here. And once we do that, it's going to open up for us to preview, see what is available, etc. Now, that's our PDF file that is available for us to make edits, changes, etc. Let's assume we wanted to redact this particular sentence right here. I'll go to Protect, and then from this section, I'll click on this particular Mark for Redaction option. If I click on it, you'll see the different options. You can redact text and images. You can redact pages. You can also search and redact. If there is a name that is repeated more and more, you can use the search and redact option to redact that name all at once from a document. Now, let's click on text and images, and I'll click on that, and you'll see a new dialog box that lets you know how to use the redaction tools. Redaction allows you to remove sensitive information from your document prior to making it available to others. Mark for redaction. Use this tool to mark text or graphics for redaction. Select a text or double click on an image to mark it for redaction. If your document text and graphics cannot be selected, for example, a scanned document, you can use the Mark for Redaction tool to simply draw a rectangle around the desired items to be redacted. Apply reductions once you're done, and these reductions are applied permanently when you select Apply. Select Apply after you've marked all the content that you wanted to redact. Click OK. So let's make our selection, and you can now see that the cursor is a plus. Let's say we wanted to redact this. There we go. If you let go, you'll now see this particular dark colored, and then we can say we redact this as well. There we go. Once you do that, since they're both highlighted in that red outline, click on Mark for Redaction and then click on Apply Reductions. Once you do that, remember, you'll get this notification. You're about to permanently redact the selected content that has been marked for redaction. By selecting Apply, the operation cannot be undone. Are you sure you want to continue? Important. It is recommended that you save a backup copy of this document before you apply reductions. It is important. Click OK. That has been redacted, and then once you're satisfied, go to File or Home, File, Save As, and then you can choose where you want to save that particular file. Let's say you want to save it here, and then call it Redacted, and click on Save. So we now have the redacted file, and if we actually go back to our folder, we now have 3 files. The redacted is the first one, and if you actually just double click to open it up, it opens up in Microsoft Edge. You can now see the redacted sections. But simply put, that is how you can redact sensitive information from a PDF document using Foxit PDF Editor Pro. I hope this tutorial is of value to you. Thanks for watching.